load the spreader up with this, because it's turned up on demo. I am finished spreading fertilizer, but I am not a happy chappy. Right, this is what we're left with. The new erection.
The new erection. Well, the old erection.
The old erection.
The old erection's coming down.
Hello, Scott. Oh. Morning, folks. How are we doing? Today is it's a Friday morning. It's going to be the bank holiday this weekend as well, which is nice. Got the Fert spreader on. Need 2 bags of fertilizer. This will be the last outing for the first spinner this year. We've got a bit of spreading to do on one of the cattle projects outside, so it needs its last dose of nitrogen, 116 kilos per hectare. And I thought we could load the spreader up with this, because it's turned up on demo. It's been here on demo before, the little e-worker, and it turned up last week. We weren't actually expecting it to come, we didn't realise it was coming, but whilst it's here we might as well have a go with it. So it's currently charging, so we got it plugged into the wall there. This is this little charging box that comes with it, and so we plug it in. So this just needs to plug back into there, and we're all good to go. Right, so here we are in the Mini Merlo. Turn the thing on. That is it running. You can't even hear it. Strange thing to drive, this little Merlo. I think this one's been doing all the shows, so it's probably not actually had much use. It's just been sort of sat in and played with the buttons or whatever. But anyway, you can lift 2 fertilizer bags above the spreader. So what is it? It's a 5.5 90. So I think that's 2.5 ton lift max, and maximum 5 meter reach. So it's a very, very capable machine, is this little Merlo. That was just poor driving on my behalf. Let's get some aircon, it's getting warm. And let's see what we've got going on the screen here. So now this will do a lot of bleeping, I suspect, in a minute. So that's filled in, yeah, 2 bags. Yes, I put the ladder up. Spread at 116 per hectare. The last thing I spread was nitram, which is what this is in here. So the cow value is hopefully correct. Now the field I'm in is 11 hectares in size, so it's quite a big field, about 25 acres, 26 acres, something like that. But it is split into 8 different pieces for the technograze and set stocking that is happening in here. So what you would think would be nice big long works is little itty bitty bits, and I have to get out every 2 minutes to drop a fence or something like that. Like now, that took me 30 seconds to do that piece, now I've got to go out and shut again. I am finished spreading fertilizer, but I am not a happy chappy. I am really, really annoyed with myself, and I'll show you why. So on our nice new spinner, this is how the edges should look. If I take you around the other side, oh, look at that. Caught it on our narrow bridge coming back. Didn't have it raised up enough. It's a flipping idiot. I've had a cup of tea and calmed down a bit. I'm proper annoyed with myself for bending that. But it is only this one panel that's bent. The actual main bit is fine, which is good, because that would have been a lot worse. So it's just held on by 1, 2, I think it's 4 little bolts. We'll take it off, take it in there, put it on the anvil, and beat it square again. I bought this little backhoe set on a Prime Day for less than 5 quid. Can't remember how much it was. Look at that, 5 quid. I think these are 10mm nuts. They are indeed. Oh, didn't need to undo that one. Right, this is what we're left with. Now it should look like that, but the opposite. And it's obviously bent to hell, so better go and straighten that out. Now it is by no means perfect, and it is by no means like new, like it was. But I think I've got that back to the right profile. The only way to find out would be to fit it. Oh, I'm so flipping annoyed. I'm the only person that drives this machine, and I take a lot of pride in keeping stuff looking how it should. Luckily, I've not damaged any of this, not bent any of that, so that's all how it should be. Other than I think actually that bit there has got to be pushed up straight. Well, they're saying that one's got a bit of a bend in it. Perhaps that's how it should be. I wouldn't have thought so though. Now, I've sort of got that on there. Just want to see how it fits on the other side. It does all just fit over the top. That's fine. I'll make that work. Oh, that needs to bend down a bit. I'm quite lucky that I've only kinked this end piece.
Yeah, yeah.
But I'm mighty upset with myself for doing so.
I can imagine.
There you are. Happens, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'm going to put the new sheet up over
the new erection.
The new erection. Well, the old erection.
The old erection.
The old erection's coming down.
Well,
Or going down, or has it come down?
It's come down, it's lying in the heat.
And you've bought something online to reinstate the erection, is what you're saying?
That's right, yeah.
Here is the John Bowman semi-permanent erection.
You know, you don't
Yeah, no.
magic in there.
No.
Undergoing a makeover. So we've got a new side sheet. Here he is.
Here I am.
And John has bought something online that is going to make the erection last longer.
Better and stronger, apparently.
Yeah. But what was on there was, we did have a grain tarp off a trailer on there. And now he's bought a proper sheet. We're going to drape over, cable tie it all on properly. He's just doing a bit of fabrication. It's been very handy, like TB testing and in the winter doing vaccinations when it's raining and stuff. Right, so we've got the front bit secured here, going up there. John and Craig just want to get some string and also a ratchet strap. What we're going to do is pull this back tight to this end, just pull it up taut, and then cable tie it all the way along here, and then we'll put it all that way, and then we'll fasten it all on the other side. But this does make a hell of a difference in the winter time. If I take you in there, it'll be a bit dark. We have an LED light there. Can you imagine in the winter when it's raining or snowing or whatever, that's when we do a lot of the vaccinations on the cows and a lot of the work to the calves and stuff in here, and TB testing and everything like that. Just having this little bit of roof over your head makes a hell of a difference. So it keeps any paperwork dry that we got here, and also the tablet, the weigh head, and everything else that goes along with it. It's well worth doing. We just had our dinner. John's going to go and tie the last few bits onto the tarp above the crush. I'm going to go and pick Craig up from the other farm because he's dropping the tractor over there only at the weekend. And then I need to wash that one and take it off. I need to level up the link arms as well because I've been messing with them and they're not right. Look at this, we just had an almighty downpour and the tarp has done its job. John's bone dry. There's Sky. Elsie? Hello, Elsie dog.
Maybe special mention to custom covers.
Yes. Is that who this? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Very good, very reasonably priced. Yeah, good service.
And they kept you dry when it rained. Yeah.
Exactly what I wanted it to do.
Oh, that would have been miserable.
Yeah.
Hello, Scott. Oh. Right, what's that, about a dozen more to do?
8 more loops to make, and yeah, those up there. You should have to get a lot.
Oh, yeah. El Completo.
Well, few there to do.
Oh, yes, what the front
Get
was.
the ladder for that.
Right, we're back in the shed that we're going to have the calves in, doing some more drinking things. Just turning on water here in the corner. It turns off this entire side there. Right, so now that is on. And those are full, there's no leaks. John's made this much prettier. We're putting the elbow and the tap the other way around. Makes a lot of sense. That one's open as well?
Yep. Yeah, I've been up close to have a look to see when you're doing the business.
Ah. No, it's coming from that bit.
Is he coming out at the elbow?
The last time I had your backside in a video, it did very well.
You're finding that surprising.
It's hard to believe. These guys want a bit of barley and hay to finish them. Won't be here this winter. It's been one of those days where we've got lots of little jobs done. Not really had like a action plan of what I was going to be doing, but there's a lot of days like that, you just go with the flow. We've done the fert spreading that we needed to do, so I'm just going to go and wash the spreader out quickly before the weekend, and then next week, because we won't be using it again, I'll give it a proper once over, wash it, oil it all up, grease it all up and put it away, take the vanes off. Craig's been and picked up a new battery for the forager because it's been a real pig to start. I think the battery might be knackered on it, so got a new one. Hopefully that's what it is. If not, it might be the alternator. Anyway, let's give this a quick rinse. Alright, that's all the important bits where fertilizer likes to sit and rot things washed out. What else has happened today? We have some milk powder delivered. Craig just put that away in the mill shed, getting ready for cars to start turning up at some point soon. Get some trailers away for winter storage, new battery for the forager. Where are we going to stick this? Yeah, it's just been a nice, calm ending to what was a fairly busy week. Time to go away and spend a bank holiday with some family, which is nice. Thank you very much for watching. As always, if you've liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Loads of links in the description below for merch, all my other socials. If you want to go and look at any of that, you can. Yeah, see you guys in another video very soon. Cheerio.